Have a pile of 1099-B forms from selling stocks or crypto and dread manually entering every transaction? There's a much better way. Today, we're importing your 1099-B or brokerage data directly into TurboTax. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Many major brokerages, like Fidelity, Vanguard, and Charles Schwab, allow you to import your 1099-B data directly into TurboTax, which automatically calculates your cost basis and gains. Step 1. Go to the Investment Income section. In the Income section, select Stocks, Cryptocurrency, Mutual Funds, or Investment Income. TurboTax will ask how you'd like to enter your information. Look for the option to Import from your broker. Step 2. Find and connect your broker. Search for your brokerage firm in the list. If they are supported, you'll be guided through a secure process to log into your brokerage account and authorize the transfer. TurboTax will then pull in all your transaction data. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: importing ensures cost basis accuracy. This is the biggest benefit. Manually entering sales can lead to errors in your cost basis, which directly impacts your tax bill. Letting the software import the data directly from the broker ensures the numbers are perfect and saves you hours of work. So, just like that, you can handle complex investment tax reporting with ease. Automation goes a long way in tackling the most tedious part of tax preparation. Now I'm curious, which brokerage do you use, and was the import process smooth? Let me know in the comments. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.